What is the order of succession? Now we'll go how the proper. Now we have seen who are the heirs, 16 heirs. What qualities they should possess, like stepmother is not entitled, natural mother is entitled, like that we have seen the qualities also. Now what is the order of succession? So we have already said that class 1 heirs are entitled to take the property. First comes class 1 heirs. Only in the absence of the class 1 heirs, the property goes to the class 2 heirs. And section 10 says, within the class 1 heirs, there are 16. Suppose if there are 5 heirs are there, all the 5 heirs will take simultaneously and equally. Simultaneously and equally. One cannot exclude the other. All are equal. All the 16 are equal. All will take the share. But if the father is there, children will not get. That is a different aspect. But as a theoretical point of view, all will take the share simultaneously and equally. Section 10, if you look into it, there are 4 rules. According to these rules, property will be distributed to the class 1 heirs. Rule 1. Properties, 1 share is to be allotted to the widows. 1 share is to be allotted to the widows. Suppose if you had only one wife, one widow, she will take that share. Suppose if you had more than one widow, she has 2 widows, and 2 wives, 2 widows. Still they will be allotted only 1 share, and that 1 share is to be distributed equally among the 2 widows. That's what the rule 1 says. The rule 1 says 1 share is to be allotted to the widow, and if there are more than widow, also they have to share within that 1 share. Whether there are 2 widows, 1 widow, 1 share will be allotted to the widow. So rule 1, only to the widow, 1 share will be allotted to her. Whether 1, 2 or 1 share will be allotted to the widow according to the rule 1 of section 10 of Hindu Succession Act 1956. Rule 2 says, mother, surviving son and surviving daughter. Whether they are 1 son, 1 daughter, 2 sons or 2 daughters, it is irrelevant. Mother, surviving sons and daughters, each will get 1 share. Suppose 2 sons, 2 daughters and mother, all will get 1 share. Mother will get 1 share, 2 sons will get 1 share each, daughters will also, so 5 shares. So rule 2 says, mother, surviving daughter and surviving son will take 1 share each. So widow 1 share, mother 1 share, surviving son will take 1 share, daughter will take 1 share. This is rule 1 and 2. The rule 3 says, sometimes a son or a daughter die before the death of the intestate. In such a situation, they are called as a branches. So the branches of predeceased son and branch of predeceased daughter also 1 share each will be allotted. This is third rule, speaks about the branches of predeceased son and predeceased daughter. Predeceased son, predeceased word is used that son or daughter died before the death of the intestate. But still, a share is to be allotted to the predeceased son and predeceased daughter. Rule 4 says, the share that is allotted to the branch of the predeceased son is to be distributed equally to their heirs. Similarly, the share that is allotted to the branch of a predeceased daughter will be distributed equally to her shares. To her shares. So these are the rule 1, 2, 3 and 4 speaks. Now I will give some certain illustrations. First illustration. A Hindu male died leaving mother, widow, son and daughter. Mother, widow, son and daughter. So 4 heirs are left. A Hindu male died leaving mother, widow, son, daughter. Then his property will be divided equally into 4 portions. His property will be divided into equally 4 parts. each will get one part. That is 1 by 4 mother, 1 by 4 widow, because only one widow, she will take 1 by 4. Son will get 1 by 4. Daughter will get 1 by 4. Now I will give the other illustration where he died leaving a mother, 2 widows. 2 widows, 2 sons, S1 and S2, and 2 daughters, D1 and D2. How many heirs are there? Mother, whether they are 2 widows or 3 widows or 1 widow, it is considered as 1 widow only. So, widow, 2 widows are to be treated as a 1 widow because 1 share will be allotted to them and that share has to be distributed among the widows. So, mother, widow, S1, S2, D1 and D2. So, total there are 6 heirs. So, the property is to be divided into 6 equal parts. So, mother get 1 by 6, S1 will get 1 by 6, S2 will get 1 by 6, D1 will get 1 by 6, D2 will get 1 by 6. What about the widow? The 1/6 of the share will be distributed equally between 2 widows because there are 2 widows. But share is allotted only 1 share, 1/6. That 1/6 is to be divided among the widows equally, 1 by 12. So each widow will get 1 by 12, 1 by 12. Mother, S1, S2, D1, D2 get 1 by 6. Widows will get 1 by 12, 1 by 12. This speaks about how the property is distributed according to the rule 1 and rule 2. This is a whole illustration covers all the 4 rules. 4 rules were covered under this category. So, who are the heirs? Mother, widow, son, S1 and D1, daughter. Son, S1 and D1 are survivor. So, 4. And other S2 died, but still we have to give allotted. And D2. Mother, widow, S1, D1, S2, D2. S2, D2 are died. But still the property is to be divided into 6 equal parts. 6 equal parts. So, mother will take 1 by 6. Widow, there is only 1 widow, so she will take 1 by 6. S1 will take 1 by 6. D1 will take 1 by 6. S2, even though he died, he will 1/6 will be allotted to that branch. D2, also 1/6 will be allotted to that branch. And now you take S2. S2 will be allotted 1 by 6th share. He had 4 heirs. His widow, SW, his son, SS, son's son. SS means son's son, son's widow. SD, son's daughter. And other son, son's son, SS1, who died. He also died. Total 4 heirs are there. So 1/6 is allotted to the S1 branch. That 1/6 is to be divided equally between all the 4s. That is 1 by 6 into 1 by 4. The property that is allotted to the S1 1 by 6 is to be divided into 4 equal parts. 1 by 6 is to be divided into 4 equal parts. That is 1 by 6 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 24. So, SW will get 1 by 24, SS will get 1 by 24, SW get 1 by 24 and SS1 also get 1 by 24. SS1 was died. So, he had again 3 heirs. SS1 had 3 heirs. SS1. So, SSW, son's widow, SSS, son's son, SSD, son's daughter. 3 more heirs are there. So, 1 by 24 is allotted to the SS1. This 1 by 24 is again equally distributed among SSW, SSS, SSD. That is 1 by 24 into 1 by 3 is equal to 72, 1 by 72. What is the share of son's widow, son's son, son's daughter is 1 by 72, 1 by 72, 1 by 72. This is the rule 4 speaks, how the property will be distributed according to the rule 4. Similarly, daughter, she also died. 1/6 is allotted to her, but she had only 2 heirs, daughter and son. So daughter's daughter, daughter's son, 2 heirs are there. So 1/6 of the property is to be divided equally between the two. That is 1 by 6 into half is equal to 1 by 12, 1 by 12. Daughter's daughter will get 1 by 12, daughter's son will get 1 by 12. This is how the property will be distributed to the class 1 heirs by following 4 rules, rule 1, rule 2, rule 3 and rule 4. A deceased having wife and a son, wife and son, that is DS1, son is DS1. And here he had a relation with C, she is a concubine. And she had a son, DS2. We already said that there should be a valid marriage between the intestate and the widow. So concubine, there is no valid marriage, so she is not a wife, she will get nothing. And DS2 born to concubine, so is a illegitimate child, he will also not get anything. And it is only the wife who is legally married and his son and her son, DS1, are entitled to claim the whole property of this intestate. That is, the property is to be divided into 2 equal parts, wife and son, each will get half-half. Concubine nothing and illegitimate child DS2 is nothing. Other category, a deceased having the father, a deceased having the father and son's widow. There are only 2 heirs. There are only 2 heirs. One is the father and other is son's widow. Son's widow is a class 1 heir. Son's widow is a class 1 heir. Father is a class 2 heir. So the whole property will be taken by son's widow. Father will get nothing. Because class 2 heirs will get only in the absence of all the 16 heirs. So SSW is a class 1 heir. The whole property will be taken by the son's widow and father will get nothing. The father is very close to intestate. Actually, when compared to the son's widow, when you compare to this, father is very close. But still the father is in the class 2 heirs because he was in the list of the class 2 heirs and SSW was included in the class 1 heir. When the class 1 heir is there, class 2 will get nothing, so father will get nothing. The whole property will be taken by son's widow. So this is the class 1 heirs.